being a resident of Kiambu.
KANJU ya magavana nerega kubura rifoti ya maritwa ma maseneta aria makoretwo magitia magavana ma haki na kumaconorariria mekinyie mbere ya kamiti igia uhuthiri wa KIGINA thirikari-ini cia kaunti. Magavana makienda GIIKARO na maseneta ya maseneta kamiti no making'andirie GIIKARO o giothe na kuga riboti cikonainie na ungumania ifatie guthuthurio ni kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC na ruhonge rwa DCI.
Finally, Chair, I'm happy the leadership have decided that we shall not do any kangaroo meeting with Council of Governors. First, Council of Governors is not a legal entity. It is not anchored in any law. It is a boys' club of professional gossip that we should not even be discussing in this committee, because the issue of accountability, Governor, and I'm happy you have noted that is individual.
I will be advising the House in my capacity as a leader of the House that we will not sit down with constitutional delinquents. For as long as you have violated the Constitution, Sifuna has no business with you. We will not sit down with constitutional delinquents. So that meeting for next week is of no use because they have refused to. This week, yes, it was supposed to be this week. They were supposed to meet certain preconditions. The entirety of last week, we did not have a single meeting. All the governors chose to stay away.
GIIKAROINI na Gavana wa KIAMBU KIMANI WAMATANGI maseneta kamiti-ini ino NIMAMENEREIRIE KANJU ya magavana ni kung'athiria CIIKARO na kamiti ino.
It is not our business to do any political witch hunt against any governor. It's not our business to embarrass any governor. Because what we share with Kenyans is what in their reports. So when a governor from Bungoma comes and brings a story of buying a Christmas tree of 3.6 million, it is not us. It's not the Public Accounts Committee. It's their own making.
For you to show up here is to demonstrate to the people of Kiambu that you are prepared to account and not running away and hiding like some of your colleagues in the Council of Governors. If you have nothing to hide, you have nothing to hide. There's no reason for you not to appear before this committee. So for me, Chair, I want to say it is important that governors appear before this committee. I don't know which committee of the Council of Governors you sit on, Governor, because it is none of my business. I'm not a member of the Council of Governors. So when we hear some of your colleagues telling the Senate that they need to reconstitute this committee, tell them to keep off. They have no business constituting committees of the Senate.
WAMATANGI agitariria ni gibarua giaketa Gavana gutaburukia uhuthiri wa mbeca kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ona thengia ya ndũgamano iria irathii na mbere.
Chair, the Constitution recognizes the governor as the CEO of the county, and so we do not have, in my interpretation of the law, any other recourse but to appear here as a county government. And that's why I've asked my people to come so that we can come and deal with the issues that have been raised by the Auditor General.
Speaker wa bunge ya Senate Amason Kingi ni oretitie GIIKARO gia KANJU ya magavana na maseneta muthenya wa aramithi kiumia giki riu miario ya kamiti no muthi igikirira nganja kana mucemanio uyu ni ugathie na mbere.